Alright guys, I'm going to do an installation video on how to change out a seat on a Walker lawnmower from the traditional seat to the comfort seat. Here's the new comfort seat here. I've already taken out the hardware off the other seat. These are the spring, plastic bushing, and a little rubber O-ring, and the bolt and a washer. These are the other supports that came off the other seat for the front. They're going to go in right here on the sides, and then the other one will go on the other side. The box also comes with a metal bracket, and I believe this is a little extension to make the safety system on the bottom of the seat sit a little bit higher up. And of course it comes with a set of instructions. For this installation, you'll be using a 10mm wrench, 13mm, and 14mm. I like to use the ratcheting wrenches, seems to be much easier, and your traditional screwdriver. So the first step here, we're going to remove the safety switch, the two screws here. The bolts are on the opposite side. You're going to be putting this bracket here right in the middle of the already existing plate, and right above that you'll be putting this one in there. So now we're going to lift up the deck, or lift up the seat bracket here. Alright, once we got that here, you know, loosen up these two screws, take these bolts off. That's where the new bolts that come with the package are going to go. Alright, we got the new bracket in. You can see it right there. There's an extra piece right between the two pre-existing brackets. Alright, now we're going to place our nylon washers into the hole for the seat. We're going to come in the back and put the bolt right through the hole. Just like that. You're going to go ahead and slide your spring right over the top, hopefully without the bolt flying out. You go ahead and repeat the same process on the opposite side with the other hole, and then your bracket is going to fit on like so, with the hole facing the rear side of the mower. Washers that were on the old seat, on the traditional seat, they do not apply for this installation. So now the seat is on, and when I was reviewing the instructions for this at my dealer, they did not make too much sense to me, because it stated that the seat was only going to be secured by the back two bolts on the corner. Well, at that point there, it allows the seat to move back and forth, which in turn you hit a bump and it's just going to destroy the paint and this very expensive machine for no reason. So these are the old bushings that came off the old seat. The reason that you need another one of these nuts is because the bracket that's on the bottom of the seat, unlike the traditional seat, is not threaded. Alright, well that's the end of the video here. Thank you very much for watching. This is my first video that I have done as an instructional on how to do something. Hopefully this will come in handy to you, as there was nothing online that I could find that would show specifically how the front of the seat was supposed to be mounted. Thank you very much, and I'll be posting more videos as I come up with things to share with y'all.